guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from October the 14th through the 20th. And what I'm going to be doing today, I've been cleaning house, and I cleaned Mom's house for her too. And I saw this in this Agenda 52 sticker book, and I saw this of a girl cleaning, and it just cracked me up. So I'm going to use that, and it's going to be like a girly clean theme, clean with me theme. And I love this animal print, and I thought this went really well. And then I'm going to throw this in with it just to give it a little bit of a fall vibe. I think it's really going to be cute. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad that everybody loved the House of Wax theme. I really enjoyed doing that one. Okay, I've decided that I want this animal print to be the dominant paper of the spread. And I'm at Mom's because she still is fighting that sinus infection, bronchitis, ear infection. So I decided I'd come stay with her for a couple days. So I'm actually filming this at her house. But I thought this would be so fun to do a girly clean with me during this time. And I didn't have my computer with me, so I couldn't make my stickers. Okay, and I think this will look really nice with the animal print. I got this out of a hot buy from Michael's. It was a girly paper. Okay, let's put our paper down how we like it. I think this is going to be hilarious. All right, let's go ahead and glue our paper down. I love animal print, and it's so on trend this year. Really, animal print is pretty much always fashionable, but this year it's very much on trend, and I'm loving it. Oh, I think that's really cute. That's going to give us a really nice look for this spread. Okay, let's go ahead and put our washi down. But I wanted to incorporate this in there because it is fall, and I thought it would look really give it a fall feeling. I think it's cute. And then I'm going to go right down through here like I typically always do. I really think it does finish the spread. I really like that. And I think I got this washi at Michael's in a tube. That's usually where I get my washi, there or the Dollar Tree. And like I've said so many times before, I love Dollar Tree washi. I really do love how that turned out. And like I said, I'm just going to be using my Agenda 52. I'm pretty sure I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99, but it was on sale when I picked mine up. And this reminds me kind of me. The girl says, I can't even. And it's so funny because like I said, I cleaned my house and then I've been trying to get rid of germs in Mom's house. So to me, this is hilarious. So I'm going to put this right here. And I love how girly these images are. And I think I'll put the washer and the dryer maybe right here. And I'll probably put the clothes right here. And probably like the trash can maybe right here. I just think this is cute. And I have washed my hands so many times, it's not even funny. I definitely needed gloves. I think I'll put that one there. Then I think I'll put this broom, maybe right here, and the gloves near that. And the little duster. Oh, this is too funny. I'll put that right there. And then all these cleaning supplies, I think I'll put right here by the gloves. And then the vacuum cleaner. And you always have to have music while you're doing all your cleaning, at least I do. And I'll put my little soap right about here. And I think I'll put an iron right here. And I think I will put these jeans shorts about right there, and put a hanger near them. Or maybe just like I'm hanging them up. I like that. And I really think these gloves are cute. And maybe I'll put them right near that. And I think that is enough. I have more, but I don't think I'll put anything else in that. I think I'm going to switch to a pen because that had sort of dried out. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this, but I think this is really cute. My planner is getting so full. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm going to add a sticker right here because I think it needs it, and it's just one of this girl with her pillow and her pajamas, and since I'm staying with Mom, I think that I'll let that represent that, and I think that is really cute. So I love how this spread turned out. I love these stickers. They are just so pretty and so, I don't know, they're so girly. I love them. And I love my paper and my washi. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.